morning, everyone. Thanks for joining. Any new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate all of you. Welcome back to Life with Heather. I'm Heather. So I'm sitting here editing this and failed to tell you that I had to make a cheesecake for work for a birthday. I didn't have to, but I was going to for a girl I work with. So this is the recipe that I used and how I did it. So hopefully enjoy. I will put the recipe or link the recipe in the description box.
If you're in Westfield, this is moving toward you. So get in your safe spots, because we can't tell you exactly
lovely
how the
tornado
storm
warnings.
is going to behave here over the next 25 minutes. We know that it is rotating. We know that it has at least produced, so within 10 minutes or less for folks in Carmel as well as Westfield. And that hook sometimes can be a precursor to a funnel cloud here. But yes,
Kind of looks like a penis.
Right at the
Not
very
gonna lie.
end of,
If you want to make light of tornadoes.
At the very end of our newscast, we were
Being searched. What you doing?
Off, in Whitestown and Zionsville, and that was because one of the spotters there. A funnel cloud at times.
Great.
And it's in an environment
well, at least it's
that
north.
does support rotation. All right.
But I have people that I know up there.
Regular radar perspective, and let me zoom out, and I'm going to do a storm
track
to give you some ETAs on this from 12 minutes ago. That's when it was crossing over 421.
Don't mind Binks, but that's where this is at. That hook thing right there is where they're worried about that I just showed you. And of course, you know, your dog always has to go potty in the middle of a storm. And it's pouring. McAfee, hurry! And we have to be careful. The reason why he's on a leash is evidently we have some baby bunnies around here. Ooh! Come on, McAfee. Ooh! Just as a clearance, we're not in the middle of that tornado warning. That tornado warning is north of us. In case you're wondering why I'm outside being an idiot in the middle of a tornado warning, it's because it's not for us. Go, hurry, or you're going inside.
Extend this warning into Fishers and possibly into McCordsville based on how the storm is tracked. Last night, thankfully for us, did not turn into be anything big deal, but just storms. A little further north, there were some scary moments, but we're good. We're all good. So, ready to start the day. I'm still trying to wake up. I'm headed in to work at the moment. Although, first I'm going to stop and get some tea from wonderful Chick-fil-A. My hair looks a mess, but that's okay. So, we're hopefully gonna have a good day today. I also thought about starting this new podcast of the week, although I do jump around quite a bit, but I'm a huge fan of true crime podcasts. So I'm always welcoming any suggestions anybody might have on good podcasts. Usually I listen to the prosecutors. I think I'm caught up on them right now. I really, really, really like their podcasts. I think it's very interesting coming from a criminal justice aspect. So we shall see. I'll let you know what podcast I come up with. May end up being just a fallback Dateline, because Dateline has good podcasts too, but I don't know. We'll have to see. I'll let you know.
Thank you so much.
Good one, thank you.
Hey, thanks, you too. We have a baby bunny. I don't know if you can see, but he's right there. You can hear McAfee because he wants to go outside, but he can't go outside with them because he does not know how to play nicely. But I went and threw out a bunch of lettuce all over the yard. Not that I don't know if baby bunnies can have lettuce, but big bunnies can that feed the babies. So, see, there he is. At least they have some food back there. I'm guilty about feeding the bunnies with lettuce and carrots. I can't help myself. It's alive. I was a little nervous, but I can see his little heart beating. Hi, baby. Hi, sweet baby. I'm afraid you're gonna get smashed being in there. Yeah, it's moving. Just noticed this very pretty butterfly. Letting McAfee out. Isn't that pretty? I don't know that I've ever seen a butterfly look like that.